6 signs you need an oil change. Don't ignore these key indicators. As a responsible car owner, it is crucial to stay attentive to your vehicle's maintenance needs. Regular oil changes are one of the most vital aspects of car care. Ignoring the signs that indicate the need for an oil change can result in serious engine problems and expensive repairs in the future. However, life gets busy, and sometimes we forget about this crucial task. In this video, we will explore the indicative signs that it's time for an oil change. From unusual engine sounds to warning lights on your dashboard, we'll cover everything you need to know about when to get an oil change for your car. 1. Dark and dirty oil. Clean oil is amber in color. As it gets used, it darkens and collects particles from the engine, becoming dirty over time. You can check the oil's color by removing the dipstick, wiping it clean, inserting it back in, then pulling it out to observe the color. 2. Loud engine noise and knocking. Oil lubricates your engine to keep it running smoothly. If your oil isn't doing its job correctly, you may hear increased engine noise or even knocking. 3. Oil change or check engine light. An illuminated oil change light or check engine light on your dashboard is a clear-cut sign that your vehicle may need an oil change. Don't ignore these lights, as they can indicate more severe issues if left unchecked. 4. Exhaust smoke. While some translucent vapor in cold weather is normal, noticeable smoke is not. If you see smoke, it could indicate an oil leak or faulty parts within your engine. 5. Poor fuel economy. If you notice that your car's fuel economy has decreased, it could be a sign that your oil needs to be changed. Old, dirty oil can cause your engine to work harder, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. If you've noticed a drop in your gas mileage, it's worth checking your oil level and scheduling an oil change. 6. Low oil level on the dipstick. Checking your oil level regularly is an essential practice. If you notice that the oil level on the dipstick is significantly lower than the recommended level, it's a clear indicator that you need an oil change. Low oil levels can lead to inadequate lubrication, potentially causing engine damage. Knowing these signs will not only help keep your vehicle running smoothly but also prevent costly repairs down the line. Remember, regular oil changes are an essential part of responsible vehicle ownership.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.